Well, Stefan, I understand your remark about the time issue. Many people have that issue. But actually, that's exactly why I would like you to invite you to attend to the seminar in June, which is about how to deal with objection. I mean, you mentioned the long and draining meetings, which cost a lot of time, for instance. And one of the main reasons why they cost a lot of time and drain a lot of energy is that people do not know how to deal with objections. And they end up in debates which keep on repeating and keep on repeating. Let me just tell you what we will do in the seminar. In the seminar, we will discuss three main topics. One is the topic of attitude. Second topic is the topic of complexity, and the third one is skill itself. The topic of attitude is mainly about state management. It's mainly about that you are able to manage your own state. And one way to do it is that you look in a different way towards the word objection. Because many people find that the word objection means something negative. But actually, when people express an objection towards you, they are engaged. They just have a critical remark on the issue you mention, on the idea you express. It's nothing personal. And when they're engaged, you can influence them. I mean, the worst thing that could happen to you is that when people are totally showing apathy towards you. Talking about the topic of complexity is that what we will do there is that we train you to understand that the number of objections that you can be confronted with in any situation is very limited. I will challenge you and others in the seminar to come up with 10 different objections in a specific situation or specific context, and you will not manage. And the good thing about it is that you can prepare yourself very well. And we will support also everybody in what would be good ways how to react. The last topic is the topic of skill. You might be very well prepared. You might, even like a chess player, know what to say if a certain objection will come. It is also the way you do it which is an important factor to be successful or not. Take, for instance, the aspect of that every objection shows a need behind. And if you would show understanding when an objection comes, recognition for the objection, that means that the other party will have less tendency to fight for the argument. If you then would react with the first question on the objection, with the intention to stimulate a dialogue and not a debate, you will have for sure a more productive discussion. People tend to immediately react with a counter argument, and this has the disadvantage that it triggers another counter argument, and then we're in the debate. And debates in general are totally senseless. They cost time, they drain energy. Unless you are in the election time and you want to win votes, then debate is the right thing to do. So basically, what people will learn and what you will learn if you would take part in this seminar is dealing better with objections in a way that is constructive, that leads to win-win solutions, and that avoids debates. Well, then I will see you, Stefan, in June the 15th to our seminar on how to deal with objections. And I'm sure when you apply what you learned there, the issue of spending too much time in long meetings, draining energy, will be sure less or maybe completely gone.